The Akko Mod 007B3 Year of the Dragon keyboard features an aluminum top case that really stands out. The aluminum head cover is coated with a thick oxidation layer for a premium finish. It also has gold accents, adding a touch of luxury. The keycaps are sublimated, and there's even custom branding at the bottom. Compared to the previous generation, magnetic switches have undergone major changes. Now, it supports adjustable bottom. There's also a mode to reduce key latency, which makes it faster and more responsive. With a 0.3mm trigger point, the keyboard feels incredibly quick. The visual interface is clean and modern, and the overall design is top-notch. But there are a few things to note. For instance, the mounting positions for traditional switches are gone, so only magnetic switches fit now. The V3 Cream Yellow Pro switch aren't fixed, so they have a bit of an angular feel. Also, the structure is a little soft, and the profile is large, which might cause the knob to touch the keyboard body. But don't worry, they've included bronze nails to fix these issues. These will be adjusted before the official release version. This includes updates to the driver as well. In short, this keyboard is definitely going to turn heads.